morning, folks. I'm April from April News 13, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10! Woohoo! Today, I'm going to go to school, and then I'm going to come home, and I think my dad and I are going to go see the holiday train, and then I have church choir practice. So let's go to school. So my dad and I are about to go see the holiday train. It's got lots of cool lights on it, very festive. And then the band Home Free, they're like an a cappella group, so they don't have a band, I guess. There's no instruments. They use their voices to make up all the instrument noises. But Home Free was on the sing-off, and I believe they won. And they're also from Minnesota, which is super awesome. But I believe they're going to be playing on the train, so I will try to get them for you as well. So let's go. Called them the Canadian
Pacific Holiday Train, yeah.
We have like the Monopoly game. I think they have the Pacific Railroad on there.
Oh, okay.
I think. I don't remember.
You better not cry, you better not pout, I'll tell you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Ah, you will get a sentimental feeling when you hear what you sing. Let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. So hunt you down a Christmas tree. Whoa! Blow it up on New Year's Eve. Round up your redneck family and watch Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Like Jesus and Santa Claus, I got love behind this beard. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a happy, happy, happy New Year. La 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 la.
Now we're gonna do a Beach Boys Christmas song for you. You guys like the Beach Boys? Now when you're covering a group like the Beach Boys, the high tenor always gets a really manly part. Austin, show them how it goes.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Saint.
Come on.
Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer.
Don't miss no one.
Well, holler through the air at a
Here's the train coming back.
That's because it's moving.
Oh, okay. Advent calendar time. Where's day 10? I will find 10. Here it is. What does it say? It says, to the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now dash away, dash away, dash away all. What's on the chocolate? Looks like it's a train! How fitting, because I saw the holiday train today. That's really funny. Nice. Alright guys, it's time for me to go to bed. I hope you enjoyed today. It was a nice holiday train, kind of cool day. And I shall see you all for day 11. So remember to like and subscribe and comment. And good night and goodbye.